Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by using your primary Gmail address, and confirming two-step verification is set so you can approve sign-ins. On both phones, make sure internet is active and system time is automatic. Mismatched time can block authentication. Once done, install or update Gmail and Google Play services so account sync works. Now tap Sign In on the second phone and enter your Gmail. Google will prompt verification. This gets you into the shared account without creating duplicates. You'll need to verify the new device using the push approval, SMS code, or your Authenticator app. Approve promptly to continue. Once signed in, go to Settings Accounts Google on that phone, open your account, and enable Gmail, Contacts, and Calendar Sync so data mirrors across devices. Make sure to set sync frequency and notification preferences individually. For example, quiet one phone at night. Doing this ensures you receive the same mail and calendar items on both phones reliably. Finish by opening Gmail and verifying folders and labels synced. Pull to refresh or force sync if messages are missing. You should secure both phones with a screen lock and confirm Find My Device is active, and from your Google account security page, revoke any unknown sessions. If you see errors, clear the Gmail app cache, remove and re-add the account, or review Google security alerts for blocked sign-ins. This final check closes gaps and keeps your single Gmail account working on two phones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.